So how can you enable the audio messages on iPhone? Let's get started. And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe so you become part of the community, and that way you'll never miss anything important. Okay, so the audio messages definitely work on the iPhone by default, but only if you are using the iMessage or RCS messaging. So that depends on the person you're texting, but generally speaking, you should go to the settings and find the messages right there and essentially make sure that iMessage is enabled, right? So as I said, that is kind of a prerequisite for that. And as I said, there might also be the option for RCS messages. So if it works on your device, make sure you have that turned on. And then when you go to a contact, which does support it, you will be able to click the plus button right next to the text field. And then there, upon scrolling down, I can see the audio option, which I can click on, and the audio voice message is being recorded currently. So I can do some things like, stop it and then replay it back, or send it if I'm happy with the result, right? So that is how you can do it if it works. So yeah, as I said, as long as it's iMessage or RCS, then it's going to work, and that is exactly how. Outside of that, if you want to share some other or longer audio files, it sometimes makes sense to record it beforehand in the voice memos. And when you are done with it, just tap the three dots and share, and choose the messages to be the medium or the app that you use to share it with, right? And that is another way how you can send audio messages on the iPhone. So I hope it helps. Let me know what you think below. Subscribe for more tips and videos like this one, and I hope to see you later.